Hi. I assume if you're here, you're wondering, how do I install a purse seat? Help, please. How do I do this? I'm here to help you. It's okay. You're not alone. So I'm actually picking a very difficult piece to show you how to install purse feet on. This is a round bottom bag. It's not that easy to add them to a round bottom bag, but you'll get through it. It's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little 6" by 1" ruler, and I'm going to lay it centered from one of the sides of the bag. So I've got my center marked, and I'm starting at the top of the interfacing. Hopefully you can see that. Yep. And I'm just gonna make a mark at the very corner of the ruler. So this is 3 inches in from the center and about 1.5 inches in from the side. So I'll show you that in a second. Basically, you want to make marks along the bottom of your bag that feel even. So I've made 4 marks, boop, boop. And I sell purse feet in packs of 5. I think that gives it a really nice bottom. So we're gonna find the center of this line, and we're gonna add one more mark in the middle. So this is actually exactly 6 inches wide. Fancy that. So I'm just gonna add a mark at the 3-inch center. Have you been there? I heard it's pretty cool at the 3-inch center. So there's all the markings for my purse feet. So now I'm going to take my Tula Pink seam ripper. This is actually basically a scalpel. It's terrifying. I don't use it for seam ripping, but it's perfect for making holes to attach hardware like purse feet. So I'm just kind of pushing it into the fabric at that center mark, like that. 5 times. You want to just stab it 5 times. So there we go. Add another one. There we go. So now I've got all 5 punctured, and this is what the purse foot looks like. At least the ones I sell. So what you're gonna do is from the right side of the fabric, you're just gonna find your little puncture holes and push them all the way in. Sometimes it's hard to find the little holes, but you'll get there, don't worry. There we go. Okay, so all 5 purse feet in place. I don't know what that was. There we go. And then the purse feet that I sell come with washers to keep them nice and in place. So what you'll do is you'll just kind of open up the prongs of the purse feet, because they do split apart, like so. They start to split apart. And the way I like to do it is I put them in between the 2 outside parallel lines. So like that, you can see it's starting to come through, and then you'll just push down on the sides. It doesn't always end up super even, but that is more secure than just pushing it through the center. Just because it's got a little bit of an obstruction to it. I'll show you what I mean. So the easy way would be to just kind of ring it through the center and then open up those prongs. And I've tried it, but it doesn't give any stability. This could still be pulled out over time. If it got caught on something, it's really easy to just, as you can see, like it can pull out really easily. So I always like to go in between the center marks, or the 2 parallel lines along the outside. So you can see just kind of splitting it open with my fingers. Pushing that through the outside edges and then pushing all the way down. There we go. We just have one more to go. All right, that's it. That's how to install purse feet. So it's a really, really simple way to add class to your bag and hear that tapping noise. It's so fun. All right, guys, I hope that helped. Keep going on with your bag self. Okay, bye.